Hey WhatsApp fans! WhatsApp's shaking things up with disappearing statuses and new ads in the Updates tab. Is this the ultimate status glow up? Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the hottest tech news. Let's dive into this WhatsApp revolution. Reports drop that WhatsApp's revamping its About section with disappearing statuses that vanish after a custom time. Plus, they're rolling out status ads and promoted channels. Want to know how it'll change your chats? Keep watching. WhatsApp's new disappearing status lets you post short-term updates like event plans or travel schedules that auto-delete after a set time, from hours to days. These show up under your name in chats and profiles, but only for contacts allowed by your privacy settings. It's a clean way to share without cluttering your profile. WhatsApp's also introducing ads in the status section of the Updates tab, clearly labeled so you can spot them. You can view or swipe past them just like regular statuses. Promoted channels will pop up too, helping businesses reach you directly. It's all part of WhatsApp's push to mix user-friendly updates with new revenue streams. Disappearing statuses keep your profile fresh and relevant, while ads and channels show WhatsApp's evolving into a broader platform without messing with your private chats. Still in development, these features could hit Android soon. Are these changes a win for users or a step too far? No release date yet, but disappearing statuses and ads are coming in future WhatsApp updates. Get ready to customize your status duration and spot those ads. What's your take on this update? Drop it below. That's the scoop on WhatsApp's disappearing statuses and status ads. Are you hyped for custom status timers or curious about those ads? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.